Mga kababayan, good news para sa mga humihingi ng resibo at due process sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara Duterte. Attorney Ferdinand Topacio has been openly questioning whether the prosecution has actually established a clear case. At habang nagpapatuloy ang Senate impeachment trial, ito ang malaking tanong: kapag sina Tulfo, Lacson, Pangilinan at iba pang senador judges ay halatang frustrated na sa witness, nasa ng linya sa pagitan ng matinding pagtatanong at prejudgment. At Chis Escudero, bilang presiding officer, kaya mo bang ipatupad ang parehong standard sa prosecution, defense, VP Sara at mismong senator judges? Senate, law, impeachment trial, ebidensya, justice, Supreme Court, resibo muna bago hatol. Hashtag walk with Lan, facts first, analysis next. Resibo bago politika. Unahin natin si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio. Hindi bago ang criticism niya sa prosecution. Noong July, tahasan niyang sinabi na para sa kanya, parang hindi malinaw ang roadmap ng prosecution at hindi pa nito na ipapakita kung paano tumataas ang allegations laban kay VP Sara sa constitutional level ng betrayal of public trust. Importanteng qualifier, opinion iyon ni Topacio. Hindi ruling ng impeachment court, pero legit legal question iyon. Hindi kasi sapat na sabihin may confidential funds, may hostile witness, may kakaibang pangalan sa acknowledgement receipt. Therefore, guilty. Hindi. Kailangan mong buuin ang chain. Ano ang ginawa mismo, ni Vice President Sara? Ano ang instruction? Anong alleged violation? Anong evidence ng personal participation? At paano iyon nagiging impeachable offense? Iyan ang burden ng prosecution. Pero hindi lang dyan nagtatapos, ha? Punta tayo kay Senator Judge Raffy Tulfo. Sa questioning kay Lumuel Ontorio, naging napakatindi ng frustration niya. Sinabi niyang hindi nagme-make sense ang ilang sagot. Question ang intelligence at judgment ng witness. At umabot pa sa punto na sinabi niyang kung siya raw ang nasa posisyon ni Ortonio, magre-resign siya. E di mag-resign na siya. Ngayon, may karapatan bang magtanong ang Senator Judge? Absolutely. Public money iyon eh. Usisain bawat piso. Pero Senator Judge ke, hindi complainant, hindi prosecutor, hindi host ng confrontation program. Para sa akin, kapag ang questioning ay lumilipat mula explain this transaction, papunta sa sayang ang talino mo or personal judgment, doon dapat tayo maging careful. Test the testimony, not the dignity of the witness. Etong mas matindi, Senator Ping Lacson raised an important point. Gusto niyang malaman, totoo ba ang aliases? Talaga bang may recipients? Talaga bang natatanggap ang pera? At gusto niyang makita ang confidential documents para hindi raw puro hula ang senator judges. Dito agree ako sa objective. Ilabas ang resibo sa tamang proseso. Pero itong warning ko, doubt is not proof. Suspicion is not conviction. Unusual transaction is not automatically accept. Kaya kung bubuksan ng confidential documents, gawin according to law, security, protocols, at rules of the impeachment court. Then assess. Wag suspicious, therefore guilty, that is not justice. That is shortcut. Senator Kiko Pangilinan likewise sought access to documentary envelopes showing alleged payments. Again, legitimate evidentiary question. Pero Senator Kiko, parehong standard dapat. Kapag document ang makakatulong sa prosecution, buksan according to rules. Kapag document naman ang pabor sa defense, give it equal weight. Hindi pwedeng Hindi pwedeng evidence only becomes important kapag may potential na makakasakit kay VP Sara Duterte. Due process means exculpatory evidence matters. Context matters. Defense evidence matters. At hindi pwedeng headline muna bago authentication. Ngayon kay Tito Soto, dito may direct historical resibo si Topacio. After that Supreme Court's earlier ruling on the Duterte impeachment controversy, Topacio and the other lawyers filed an indirect contempt petition against Soto. Bakit? Because Topacio argued that some of Soto's attacks on the Supreme Court went beyond legitimate criticism and risk undermining trust in the judiciary. Soto's answer, protected speech daw. He called the petition publicly stunt and argued the disagreement with a judicial ruling does not automatically amount to contempt. Fair counterpoint. Pero para sa akin, Topacio raises a question worth asking. Kapag favorable sa position mo ang constitutional process, respect Congress. Pero kapag Supreme Court disagrees with you, sabihin mong overreach, mga kaibigan. Sasabihin mong overreach, di ba? Hindi pwedeng constitution only when convenient. At ngayon, kay Chis Escudero, presiding officer, ikaw ang referee, at ngayon naglabas ka ng mas mahigpit na Rule 18 enforcement. Senator judges, prosecution, defense, VP Sara, counsels, witnesses, lahat covered sa restrictions against public commentary on the merits. May first strike reprimand. Second, and succeeding violations may carry up 30,000 pesos per offense for covered parties. Good. I support the principle. Pero itong hamon, implement it evenly. Walang prosecution exemption, walang defense exemption, walang senator complaint, walang VP exemption. Kung Rule 18, Rule 18 for all. O global roll call muna tayo mga kaibigan. Taga Davao ka ba? Cebu, Manila, Visayas, Mindanao, Middle East, Europe, US, mga OFWs, comment your country at sagutin ninyo sino sa senator judges ang tingin ninyong pinaka-objective so far at sino ang tingin ninyong parang masyado ng aggressive. If you find this legal breakdowns helpful, feel free to support the channel via Super Thanks. Thanks ha? So we can keep bringing you the truth, context at resibo. Pero wag aalis. If you find this legal breakdowns helpful, ito ang pinakamalaking problema sa buong impeachment. Ito ang elephant in the courtroom. After weeks of testimony, even a recent Philstar Life analysis observed that the senator judges appeared frustrated because they had yet to receive the definitive smoking gun they were looking for. That does not mean Sara is innocent. At hindi rin ibig sabihin na baksak na ang prosecution. Trial is ongoing. Pero it means something important. Hindi pa pwedeng mag-celebrate ang prosecution. Hindi pa pwedeng sabihin tapos na. Hindi pa. Because conviction demands senator judges weigh the entire record. Prosecution, cross-examination, defense, documents, witness credibility, applicable law, everything. Eto pa, Gina Costa, Limuel Ortoño, both became difficult witnesses for the prosecution in different ways. At kapag hostile witness, leading questions can be allowed. Pero may limit. Hindi pwedeng ang frustration ng lawyer o senator ang maging substitute sa evidence. Witness refuses to give the answer you expected. Fine. Impeach credibility. Present documents. Call another witness. Show contradictions. Pero hindi Hindi ko gusto ang sagot mo. Kaya guilty na ang boss mo. That's not how evidentiary reasoning should work. At para sa akin, dito pinakamalakas ang argument ni Topacio. The prosecution carries the burden. Hindi defense ang kailangan magpatunay ng imaginary alternative story bago pa ma-establish ang allegations. Prosecution says misuse. Prove misuse. Prosecution says betrayal of public trust. Connect the evidence of the constitutional offense. Prosecution says personal responsibility. Show personal responsibility. Hindi yung may 125 million pesos, therefore, Sara. May aliases, therefore, Sara. May unusual procedure, therefore, Sara. That logical jump needs evidence. And that is precisely where a strong defense should attack. Pero, pro-Sara tayo hindi blind. Kapag may valid question, answer it. Kapag may document naman, explain it. Kapag may 125 million pesos transaction, show lawful basis. Kapag may confidential activity, explain as far as legally possible. Because defending VP Sara by saying, Duterte siya, kaya maniwala tayo, is weak. The strongest defense is document, law, procedure, context, counter evidence. Kung tama ang OVP, prove it. And if prosecution is wrong, expose the weakness using their own evidence. Ito ang hatol nila. Tulfo, question hard, pero wag gawing personal ang senator-judge role. Lacson, open relevant evidence according to law, pero suspicion is not proof. Kiko, ask for documents, but evaluate prosecution and defense evidence equally. Soto, criticize the Supreme Court if you must. But institutional respect matters. Escudero, good ang Rule 18. Now enforce it equally. At Topacio may valid point. Hindi sapat ang political drama. The prosecution must prove the constitutional case. Kaya, kayo ang tanungin ko, sa ngayon, may nakita na ba kayong smoking gun laban kay VP Sara? Oo. Wala pa? May suspicious evidence pero kulang pa? Hintayin ng defense. At sino ang gusto ninyong i-deep dive natin next? Tulfo? Lacson? Kiko Pangilinan? Soto? Escudero? Comment down below. Subscribe to stay updated on the truth behind the latest headlines. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. To show the strength of our community, join us. If you find these legal breakdowns helpful, feel free to support the channel via Super Thanks. Facts first, analysis next. Resibo before rhetoric. This is #WalkWithLan.